guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sarah from Sarahswifestyle, and check this out. Today I got a Peloton update for you guys, and I got a ride for you guys at the end of the video if you guys want to see it. You guys, I've had my Peloton for about a month and a half, and I got a review for you. But first of all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you've already been here, thank you, I appreciate it. But if you are new, please consider subscribing because we have fun over here. I have plenty of videos that you will definitely be interested in. Mommy vlogs, family vlogs. It's a lifestyle channel, so a lot of stuff. Peloton, mommy makeover, because I'm snatched. Can't even see it, but I'm snatched. Just know I'll put a card up for my whole entire experience. I filmed the whole thing. So the reason why I'm doing these updates on the Peloton is because I know this is a pricey piece of equipment. I actually have a video that breaks down all of the pricing, their financing options, and all of that. I will link a card up above for that, just in case you guys are interested in purchasing a Peloton. I know, like I said, it's pricey. So you wanna know if people like it. You wanna know if they're sticking with it. You wanna know, hey, is it just the hype at first and then it dies down and all that? So I'm gonna tell you my experience, okay? No, I'm not being paid by Peloton. I don't get anything for this or anything. I've also been getting a lot of questions regarding a Peloton code. So you guys, within 2 weeks of me getting my code, all of my codes were used, okay? So I don't have any more codes as of yet, but next year I will get 12 more that will give you guys a discount on yours, okay? So as of right now, I do not. So if you guys don't see a code below, that's why, okay? So check this out. Let's get into this little review. Let's get into it. You guys, I am absolutely with the bike. I wake up and I'm ready. I look forward to it. And to be honest with you guys, it's the instructors that make the class because I'm back. Okay, so to be honest, like I said, you guys, the instructors totally make the class, and they have instructors for everybody. If you like EDM music, they got, instructors that play that music, R&B, hip hop, club bangers. They have everything, pop. And so it's really cool because you guys, we're all gonna vibe with the different instructors. That's just what it is. I have a few personal favorite instructors, but the instructor that really sometimes, I get up and I'm ready to go, and then I'm like, I wanna do 5 more minutes. I wanna sleep for 5 more minutes. And I'm like, you know what? No, I wanna see Cody. Cody Rigsby. I think that's how you say his last name. My animals, my camera. Stop it. So I get on there, you guys, and his personality, he is literally my best friend, and he doesn't even know it. Cody, if you see this video, what's up? What is it? Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram so we can talk, hey. So anyways, yes, I am loving it. I love Allie. You guys, Robin is amazing. I'm just loving it, okay? Tunde, I think that's how you say it. They're all great. So they have music and everything they're different levels, and you do the best that you can. You don't necessarily have to follow the cadence and the resistance, but you have to do what's best, the best that you can do, if that makes sense. So you don't wanna hurt yourself or anything like that, but I have found that my stats are getting so much better. Like my first ride, you guys, I still almost die, but my numbers are higher. My resistance is increasing, because at first 40 was hard for me. 40 resistance, I was like, shoot, no. Now I can do that no problem, right? So it's so freaking amazing how you're watching yourself improve. My body's getting better. You guys know I have plastic surgery or whatever, but I still have to maintain it. So I'm not trying to say the Peloton gave me this body at all. By no means, Dr. Robbins gave me the body, but I have to still maintain it, right? They have amazing arm workouts and everything. Anything that you want to do, you can do it through the Peloton. So I used to take a boot camp class. I no longer even have to do that. If I want to do a boot camp class, it's on my app. I have a treadmill. I can use the Peloton app and do the Peloton treadmill workouts on there as well. It's just so awesome. I can use my phone, my iPad. I have access to it on my Apple TV. I meditate. I'm really into meditating, you guys. And I'm also very into yoga. So, which also brings me to this. If you guys have a Peloton, or if you don't even have a Peloton, if you just have access to the app, because you do not need to have a piece of workout equipment to have access to the app. Okay, people use bikes that are not even Peloton bikes and they use it, okay? So you do not need that. But if you guys do have the app, follow me on there, okay? It's Sarahswifestyle, same as the way you spell it on YouTube. Let's follow each other, let's work out. If you guys catch me in a workout, come and join it. I've had a lot of questions on, do I bike or spin every day? No, definitely I do not. My body needs to rest. I don't do that. If you guys don't know, I have a horrible back, okay? So my body cannot take doing it every single day. I spin 4 to 5 times a week. And that's good for me. And I don't do it consistently. I don't go straight 4 to 5 days. I'll spin for 2 days, take a break, spin another 2 days. I might take a break and spin on the next day, and then my week starts over. So it's like 4 to 5 days. I absolutely love it. I meditate all the time, every single night. Sometimes I miss, if I just fall asleep and I don't have to meditate, like that's cool. But the stretching classes, the arm classes, they have strength training, they have dance cardio, and I love it because I love to shake a little something, okay? So I'm into all of it. So I'm here to let you guys know that if you guys were thinking about getting a Peloton, to me, 100%, 1000% is completely worth it. My husband, you guys, don't say nothing. My husband doesn't watch my YouTube channel. He just does his own thing. Check this out. So he didn't think he was gonna use it. So he just took his second class today. Why did he order some spin shoes? So he's getting into it, okay? He didn't even order shoes at first because he didn't think he was into it. He just bought some cycle shoes today. So I'm telling you guys, like, it is absolutely amazing. It's something my husband and I can do. We have access to everything. He's done the arm workouts. So my dog's got a sock right here. I can't. I'm just super excited to just watch my progression and all that kind of stuff. Totally worth the money. And if you guys were hesitant, I hope you guys find this video and it gives you that extra push to purchase. And make sure people show their codes all the time. Get a code and get the essentials package, because you get the essentials for free. Not the whole package, just like the items on there. And they do military discounts. Do not forget about that, okay? Do not forget. So check this out. You guys are about to watch me ride. If you guys don't want to watch the ride, go ahead and click off right now, but I'm about to go ahead and make the ride fast, right? Like speed it up. And you guys are more than welcome to stay and watch. If not, thank you for watching this video, you guys. And do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you watch all of my other videos related to the Peloton and my vlogs, you guys. I'm pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a pretty cool chick, okay? So without further ado, I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to follow me on Peloton, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I post my rides on there all the time. I'll show myself after workout. So I will see you guys next video. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest.